There's a seventh question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. You've got a system of equations and it's asking for the possible value of x at the intersection point. The easiest way to do it, just plug it into Desmos. If you plug both equations in, what you might see is you only see the parabola, not the line. You got to zoom out once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, boom. There you see it. Now it's not giving you the coordinate. If you just click, it'll show you a gray dot and you see that your x is 9 or -9. The point of intersection is the solution to a system of equations. So is 9 or -9 an answer choice? Yes, it's B. Thank you for joining us today. To see the full-length video, including several other ways to solve, check us out on YouTube. Go to Ivy Masters Learning Center. Test 3, Module 1. The longer videos are just above these shorter videos on the playlist. Have a great day.